In this recording, I'm going to do ISO line 5 on this pink sheet in Fusion 360. This face right here is by far the most interesting of the whole group, has the most features. It corresponds with this plane. I'm going to drag that out over here. And I'm going to draw this in 3 rectangles. So start with rectangle number 1, press R for rectangle. Get my cursor on the origin point, click there at 0, 0, come out here and say, well, what is that distance? It's 2.5 tall, 4 inches wide. So right now I'm in the Y dimension, so 2.5, tab to the X dimension, 4, return. Now I've got 2 rectangles in here. I'm going to get this rectangle here, and I'm going to just say, well, what is that? Well, if I come over here, there is a 1 right there. That's also a 1 here, or it's typical. Then here is 3/4. Okay, that's good to know. This is 1.5. All right, so the depth is 1, tab, 1.5, 1.5, return. And then I'm going to go rectangle, draw my other rectangle here. And I'm going to say Y dimension 1, tab, and 1.5, return. So this is a good start, but these have to be defined, that distance. Right here it says it's 3/4 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch. That's easy. I hit D for dimension. I think it's under create as well. Yes, sketch dimension. And I click here, and I click there, and I bring it out, and I click in 0.75, return. It moves it correctly to the correct spot. I'm still in dimension. Come over here, click that, and I put 0.75, return, and now that's good. Now I'm going to hit finish the sketch, and it's a simple extrusion now. E for extrude. I'm going to select that right there. I like to do it the way it shows on the sheet, so I drew this, and I'm going to push it back. So that puts me into negative territory, so that's fine. What's this distance? 1.5. So I'm going to type in here 1.5, return. I'm going to click on the home. I get that to come out into that isometric shape. It looks exactly like that, and I'm good to go after I save it as ISO line 5.